I'll be reporting on the results of a research study we undertook to test if HeartSpeak could be helpful or influential in helping those reduce pain, those suffering from chronic pain. And yes, I'll be going over what I did in my research study and also what results we got, but also I will be giving you a hands-on demonstration. I'll show you what we did, and then you'll be able to try it for yourself. And hopefully you'll get similar results in decreasing pain. It's going to be fun. It's going to be excellent. I know you're going to enjoy it, and I wish I could be there in person, and I will see you online. See you.